Hello dear friend, in today's tutorial we will learn how to use DeepSeek AI on our mobile, how to download this DeepSeek AI model, which is the best open source free module of OpenAI ChatGPT. You can do a lots of things on mobile, so it's very convenient to use, dear friends. Anyone can use and download it without wasting time. Let's go to Google Play Store to download this DeepSeek AI. Now actually we will see how we can download this on mobile, and we can use this the best open source AI modules on our mobile, dear friend. Hello dear friend, we have come to our mobile now. For DeepSeek AI we have come to our Google Play Store. Here we'll just click here, and we will type here DeepSeek AI. DeepSeek AI, we will click. You see, this is chat gpt online. Here you see DeepSeek AI. We have to come to the site here, and you can read about this app. 4.7 into 3 days, you see its ranking is 4.7. And here you can read all. DeepSeek AI is an incredible app, especially for coding projects. You see it has Karan Mandal has written this review on Google Play Store. Here I am speechless. This is a very powerful. I am looking for a voice call feature to be added as well, as which can be really very interesting. Even visual assistant mode can be very good thing for whom are visually impaired. All I think these features will be added in futures here. And after reading this, we directly come here to install. We'll just click here to install. You see, now we are installing DeepSeek AI assistant here. You can download and you can anytime use. Now open. I will open it. It has opened. You have to click on agree terms and policy. You can read agree. I agreed. And you can go with your email address, or you can write your email address here, or you can go with your Google account. I want to go with my Google account. Okay, I will take this my email. Now I'm opening with this my email here. And now you see we have already entered in our DeepSeek. Here I am here. How can I help you? I want to write here anything. So you can write here, for example, Python. What's a Python? Now it will search. You see it has written the history of Pythons. We can read here, Python is a high level interpreted programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python's design philosophy emphasizes code readability with its notable use of significant indentation. Here are some key features of Python. You see very fast it right. Hello dear friend, if this tutorial is helpful for you, please subscribe the channel for more updates. I will in future make more update compare with chat gpt, and I will take more modules to check the performance and stability, dear friend. For don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends who are actually in need of such type of tutorial. It will help them a lot. And you go to my playlist for software update. You can see there are lots of software update, dear friend. No, I write coding. What's a coding? It's insane. Its performance is very fast and very accurate, better than OpenAI, this chat gpt. And it's a totally free. You can use this, dear friend. You see, it's just so fast. You see, I am so amazed, so surprised to see such a fantastic app software released in 2025. No, okay. No, I want to write. Please write code. Write code for screen recording software. Screen recording software. You see here, it's a writing code for screen recording software. So you can use this AI module for writing coding, dear friend. It will help you a lot to write codings, and you can use. And if you are programmer and even other person, you can use for your field. You are translator, you are inventor, or you are research scholar, you can use day to day for your tasks. You see here, it's just so impressive. Its performance is very impressive, and it has been created within $6 billion, where ChatGPT ChatGPT was created spending billions of dollars, and more than 4,000 employees are working here. Here 200 employees are working here. It's a totally open source module. You can get the code on GitHub website, the free open source software website there. And you can download the offline modules which I showed you. You go to the GitHub, and from there, so on the Olama website, you can get the, and you will run offline. I don't want to run offline because it will take a consume your RAM, GPU, and it will take a space to your computer. If you have separate work, if you think your data will be compromised, you can use offline version. Download, dear friend, try. And don't forget to subscribe the channel, dear friend. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivation to make more creative tutorial for you, dear friend. And in future I will upload more about this, all the updates about DeepSeek AI, and try this, and you can do a lots of things from here. Once I have downloaded to our computer, it will be mobile, and it will be always on your mobile. You see, I have DeepSeek Seek AI here, and you can go for settings here. You see, I have history from here. You can change the system language for I can take dark theme. Done. No, our mobile will be in dark here. It's connected with my Google account here. I can change language here. Now these languages are available. You can change any language. If you can change Bangla, Belarusian language, any Chinese, Japanese. I use English. It will be in English here, and everything is okay. You can always check for update. So I will use this now for our writing on YouTube, for our descriptions. It will help me a lot because this is totally free, and it will help me a lot, dear friend. You can use this. Please subscribe the channel for more updates, dear friend. Hello, dear friend. We have gone through all how to use DeepSeek AI. If this class is helpful to you, please subscribe the channels, and share this channel to those friends who are actually need of such type of tutorial, dear friend. Write in the comment box how do you use this DeepSeek AI, how you use this DeepSeek AI in your daily works, dear friend. We meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.